Hello everyone, here I am back with another beautiful and easy pattern. Let's learn how to crochet spiral rows. This is so easy than you think. All you need a crochet hook and a beautiful yarn. Today I'm using this sport weight yarn with 3.5mm crochet hook, but you can use any kind of yarn with a suitable hook size. So now let's get started with a slip knot. Now from here we're going to work 15 chains. Okay, here I made 15 chains. Now from here we're going to skip 2 chains and insert the hook from the third chain and then work 3 double crochets into the same space. Okay, this is our first double crochet and then work 2 more double crochets into the same space. Okay, here we made 3 double crochets into the same space. Now into the next chain space make 3 more double crochets here. Okay, here I made 3 double crochets. Again into the next chain space make 3 more double crochets. So like this we're working 3 double crochets in each chain spaces. Now again into the next chain space make 3 double crochets and continue work 3 double crochets in each chain spaces till the end. So when you're working 3 double crochets into one space, it means you're working 3 stitches into one space. So you can see the spiral started to create by itself. So continue work, then you will see like this. So you can see like this wavy and wiggly round, but don't worry about it, our work should be like that. Now last work, chain 1 and then work a slip stitch to the last chain space here into the same space here. So we done our work. Now from here make chain 1 and then keep a little bit tail and then cut it off the yarn. Now our rose petal is look like this. So you can see it's already like a rose. So all you have to do is start to roll this double crochet strip from the beginning. Hold from the first set of double crochet here and then start to roll. Don't tie too much, just give it a loose and then roll it up like this. Now here we're gonna sew it, but instead of sewing with a sewing needle, you can use your crochet hook. So here I'm using a smaller size crochet hook, the smaller than we use for this rose. This is 2mm crochet hook. So if I use a smaller size crochet hook, I can easily insert through the chain spaces. So here I'm gonna insert the crochet hook through this first middle space here from the first chain space of this spiral. So insert through the first chain space and the same time insert through the next layer and then grab the short tail. Just take one tail and then bring through that loops like this. And then you have to do is once again go back the same way, not in the same chain space. Insert the hook on the opposite direction. So like this, I'm gonna insert exact opposite side. Insert through the both layer and then grab this yarn and then bring it out of that chain spaces. So if you're confused, watch the video carefully and then do the same thing. So here I'm bringing this tail to down like this. If you want to secure it more, you can go again once more time, but I'm doing only once. So here take this both tails and tie a knot once or 2 times. Okay, here I finished my spiral rows and this is how it looks like. So you can hide this yarn passing through the chain spaces But I made these roses for my viral rose blanket, so I have to attach to that blanket. So after finish that blanket, I will upload a video soon. So did you see, this is super easy, right? It's so easy, even the absolute beginners can try. So I hope you love this video. If you like, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon with another beautiful tutorial. Until that, take care. Bye bye.